How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Who do you live with?
My parents.
Who do you live with?
My parents.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a log.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a log.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs.
Are you working now?
No, I'm free today.
Are you working now?
No, I'm free today.
Do you like tea?
No, I prefer coffee.
Do you like tea?
No, I prefer coffee.
Do you like pasta?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like pasta?
Yes, I love it.
Are you at college?
No, I'm at home.
Are you at college?
No, I'm at home.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm much better now.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm much better now.
Will you join us?
No, maybe next time.
Will you join us?
No, maybe next time.
What do you do?
I work at a bank.
What do you do?
I work at a bank.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's nice.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's nice.
What time do you start?
I start at 9.
What time do you start?
I start at 9.
Do you work long hours?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you work long hours?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you use Facebook?
No, I don't.
Do you use Facebook?
No, I don't.
Do you shop online?
Yes, all the time.
Do you shop online?
Yes, all the time.
Are you free?
Yes, I have no plans.
Are you free?
Yes, I have no plans.
Can I call later?
Yes, after dinner.
Can I call later?
Yes, after dinner.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's good.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's good.
Is your boss nice?
Yeah, he's pretty decent.
Is your boss nice?
Yeah, he's pretty decent.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, but only on weekends.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, but only on weekends.
What's your favorite one?
Probably The Dark Knight.
What's your favorite one?
Probably The Dark Knight.
Do you read books?
Yes, mostly novels.
Do you read books?
Yes, mostly novels.
What are you reading now?
A mystery novel.
What are you reading now?
A mystery novel.
Did you hear the news?
Yes, I heard it this morning.
Did you hear the news?
Yes, I heard it this morning.
When did you hear it?
This morning.
When did you hear it?
This morning.
Are you on break?
Yes, just for 10 minutes.
Are you on break?
Yes, just for 10 minutes.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, after dinner.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, after dinner.
What do you usually watch?
Movies, mostly.
What do you usually watch?
Movies, mostly.
Do you go to bed early?
Sometimes, not always.
Do you go to bed early?
Sometimes, not always.
Do you wake up late?
Only on Sundays.
Do you wake up late?
Only on Sundays.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you help me?
No, I am pretty busy.
Can you help me?
No, I am pretty busy.
Can we talk later?
Yes, after work.
Can we talk later?
Yes, after work.
Can we meet?
Sure, once I'm free.
Can we meet?
Sure, once I'm free.
Can I call you?
No, not right now.
Can I call you?
No, not right now.
Can you come?
No, I have work.
Can you come?
No, I have work.
Can you tell me?
It's a secret.
Can you tell me?
It's a secret.
What did you eat?
I had toast.
What did you eat?
I had toast.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
How do you take it?
With milk. No sugar.
How do you take it?
With milk. No sugar.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I can't stand it.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I can't stand it.
What about chocolates?
I don't like sweets either.
What about chocolates?
I don't like sweets either.
Are you free tonight?
No, I am busy.
Are you free tonight?
No, I am busy.
Shall we meet?
Sure, why not?
Shall we meet?
Sure, why not?
Where should we go?
Let's go watch a movie.
Where should we go?
Let's go watch a movie.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
Have you seen the new one?
No, not yet.
Have you seen the new one?
No, not yet.
Do you want to see it?
Yes, I've heard it's good.
Do you want to see it?
Yes, I've heard it's good.
Can we meet later?
Sure, let's meet.
Can we meet later?
Sure, let's meet.
Will you text me?
Yes, I will.
Will you text me?
Yes, I will.
What time is it now?
It's almost 9.
What time is it now?
It's almost 9.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, the whole day.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, the whole day.
Can we meet then?
Sure, let's plan it.
Can we meet then?
Sure, let's plan it.
Have a good night.
You too, sleep well.
Have a good night.
You too, sleep well.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye.